Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve when a power 4 plus 1 over a power 4 is equals to 47 and we have to find the value of a plus 1 upon a. So let's start with today's video. So a power 4 I can write it as a square whole square. Similarly 1 over a power 4 as a square whole square is equals to 47. So if I add to both sides, so it's look like this. 2 is equals to 47 plus 2. Now in LHS side, I can see that it becomes a formula of a square plus b square like this. A square whole square plus 1 over a square whole square plus 2ab. A is a square and b is 1 upon a square. And here 47 plus 2 is 49. So if I eliminate a square with a square, so only 2 is left. And it's become a formula of a plus b whole square, where a is a square and b is 1 over a square is equals to 49 whole square. Now, here is square root. When goes to other side, it becomes square root. So a square plus 1 over a square is under root 49. So the value of a square plus 1 over a square is plus minus 7. But minus 7 is rejected because this is square. In square, minus minus is plus. So minus 7 is rejected. So we take the value of a square plus 1 over a square is 7. Now similarly we'll repeat the step again. I'm going to add to both sides. So a square plus 1 over a square plus 2 is equals to 7 plus 2. Now again it becomes a formula. So I can write it as a plus 1 over a whole square is equals to 9. So a plus 1 over a is equals to under root 9. So a plus 1 over a is equals to plus minus 3. Here we can't reject the negative sign because there is no square on left hand side. So the value of a plus 1 over a is plus minus 3. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. Please give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.